Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. This is Canon Tr4650. This printer is multifunctional printer, it's multi-task, it's 4-in-1 in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. What I'm going to show you is basically how to scan your document black and white, print this out double-sided. If you check my video how to connect this printer to wireless network, you can connect it via Wi-Fi or USB cable connection. To give you an overview, I'm going to give you just a brief overview from the back here. The power cable goes right here. It's included in the packaging. The USB cable connection goes right here, and stick this end to your PC, okay? And the telephone line or fast line goes right here. If you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris. I do get a lot of questions about this. This document is automatic document feeder, okay? This is automatic document feeder, and you switch on the automatic on and off button. If it's when you are not using it, you can print up to 8.8 print per minute for black and 4.4 print per minute on color, okay? And this is also borderless photo printing gear, and you can switch this on and off from right here, okay? This is the flat bell scanner, and if you open up this section, the ink cartridges will come right in the middle. It does this automatically for you to change it. It's using 545 black and 546 color. If you check my video, you see how we loaded the ink cartridges, okay? So check my video how this is the ink cartridges, 545 black and 546 color, okay? Once you close it, it will move away from the middle and goes to the corner, okay? So, and we loaded A4 paper right here. You can load various sizes of paper, 4x6 photo paper, various sizes of it, and just need to adjust it. What we have here right now is A4 paper, okay? And what I want us to do is basically to show you how to scan the document in black color and print this out double-sided is what we're going to do. So to stick your document you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner, and right now we need to go back to this printer is connected via Wi-Fi network, okay? And right now we go back to the app, okay? Go back to the Canon Smart App. So this is the app for this printer, Canon Print Inject Selfie. So you can photo print, you can document print, you can create photo items, smartphone copy, scan and more, okay? This is this printer right here. You can see TR46000 series. Once you connect this printer, it will show up on the app. So click on the scan button, and once you click on the scan button, then it gives you the option for you to change the settings. So this is the scan setting. So select the setting. It gives you the option data format. PDF is usually for document. If it's photo, then you select it to the JPG, okay? Right now we change it to PDF, and document type is document, okay? Now color, so right now it's in color. We need to change it to grayscale, is to scan this document black, okay? And the document we have here is A4. So any particular document you are using or you have loaded here, you need to select it. If it's B5, then you change it to B5, okay, to particular document. Sometimes people ask me how to change it to legal document. So you just need to select the particular document you want, or letter A4. So we go back to A4, and document type is A4, okay? And once you're done, then you need to go back, okay? Select scan, and it will start processing straight away. You can see we scan this document black color, okay? If you check my video, I've scanned it colored earlier. So right now we're scanning the black. So this is the second. Turn it upside down and do the sentence. Click scan. So right now it's scanning this document black, okay, very fast. Okay, you can see. So once you're done, once you finish, click exit. Okay, and it will show you, it will tell you scan result has been saved to the following folder. I will show you the folder where it's saved. Click OK. Okay, so right now this document is scanned. If you want to print this document out, click share. Okay, and once you click share, then you go back to Canon print. Okay, once you select Canon print, it will start to process the document. So right now it's processing. Okay, so this is the first and second one. So go back again, click next. Now it's asking us print page range. Okay, so right now you can see all the page. You can select particular page you want. Okay, all page, click OK. Now the following paper is selected. Do you want to check the manual? No. So right now from this settings we have right here, you can change the settings by clicking the particular one, change the settings. So you have copy, print with paper that is set up on the printer, A4 paper, same document, print up and double-sided. So you can select many things. So select on, go to the settings, okay, and the copy, we already selected the copy, and the paper size A4, okay, and color, change it to monoscale. Duplex, okay, we change it to, it wasn't simple, so you need to change it to duplex, which is double-sided. Okay, now once you're done, then you go back and click print. Right now it's preparing the printer. Here we go. So remember, what we have done is to print this document black and double-sided. It's asking us, please wait momentarily. So we just need to wait for this to be ready. Here we go. So we scan this document black. I'm printing it out black. Okay. There we go. It's going back in for double-sided. Okay. So you need to print everything out, then go back in and do the other side. Okay, so job completed. Here we go. So we scan this document and it will tell you print status, printing is completed. Click OK. So right now this is exactly what we have done. We scan this document. This is the original one. We scan it black color and printed it double-sided. If you're happy with this tutorial, Please do consider to subscribe. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.